Y'all, this week has been straight garbage, and it started actually Saturday of last week, but I am ending this week on a good note because I've been holding on to a couple of boxes, and the first one that we're going to open up today is going to be my piece from Dress Up Your Purse. So if you're interested in seeing what's inside, just keep watching. And welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. Over here, we're all about looking and feeling our best for less. So if that's something that you're into, go ahead and join our small community by hitting that subscribe button. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever I upload new videos. But before we get into this unboxing, just wanted to let you guys know that my free ebook is available. It's called 5 Tips to Purchasing Pre-Loved Luxury Online. Quick, short read, simply designed to help you shop with confidence, save money, and avoid getting scammed. It is linked in the description. It's also in the comments and in my bio. So if you haven't downloaded it already, go ahead and check it out. But guys, let's get into this unboxing. I've been holding on to this box for over a week now. Literally, it's been over a week since I've had this item, and I haven't had a chance to unbox it for a couple of reasons. So this is the bag from Dress Up Your Purse. As you can see, this is how it comes wrapped. I haven't taken the plastic off, so let's go ahead and get into this, and we can kind of just talk about what's been going on with me while I unbox this. So we're gonna start off. So today is Friday, the 16th. So it all started last week on Saturday. You guys know that I work from home. So last Saturday, my husband decided to go out, and it was early morning, like maybe 9 or 10, to grab some breakfast or whatever. And he came back in and said that both of our vehicles had been broken into. So my driver's side window had been smashed in, and his front passenger side window had been smashed in. Nothing had been taken, but they also got someone also on our block at the top of our street. We've lived in this area for almost 15 years now and have never had anything like this happen. The police seem to think that it was some kids or whatever, probably looking for guns because our glove box and center consoles were open. But guys, I had some really expensive stuff in my trunk that didn't even get touched. So that was a blessing in itself. But it was just a pain trying to schedule the repairs, coordinating with the insurance company and trying to get that glass fixed as soon as possible. So that was a headache all in itself, especially because it happened on a Saturday and we weren't able to actually get our vehicle serviced until that following week. So fast forward Sunday, then I find myself sick all day with back pain and vomiting, no fever, but I'm sick all day. And I have an idea what it is because I've been through this before, just didn't realize that it was much worse than what I had thought it was. So I was sick all day Sunday and ended up in the ER early Monday morning, maybe around 4 or 5 a.m. I was admitted and really actually just got out today. So while I was in the hospital, I still had to figure out how to make sure that someone was going to be at my home and that my vehicle would be accessible to the repair people who were coming out to fix our vehicles because my husband does not work from home. So that was a headache that I was dealing with while I was in the hospital. Then on top of that, I had a hair appointment scheduled for yesterday that I needed to cancel because again I knew that I wasn't going to be able to make it, lost a deposit on that, so that was another thing. So I've just been real irritated, and that's kind of why I did not film. I had initially said that I was going to go ahead and film this unboxing in the hospital because I had my husband bring it up for me, but I was just so irritated. I just said forget it, I'll wait till I get back in the comfort of my own home. So here we are now. I am feeling much better, guys. I really appreciate everybody reaching out. I read all of your comments and your well wishes. Some of you guys even went into IG and sent me very personal messages. I read them and responded, and I appreciate everybody for reaching out. I am much better now. Thank you. There's still some things that are going to have to take place. This isn't over yet, but I am much better, and I'm in a better place mentally as well. So thank you guys so much for hanging in with me and being patient with these unboxings. So let's get into this. So you all know, y'all should already know what this is. We know the size of this box. We know what it is. Louis Vuitton, y'all's days are numbered. We just gonna say that. So I got the Le Petit Paris 15. You can see how beautifully she comes packaged. We've got this dust bag in here. Nice quality dust bag too. So this is the first item that I've ever purchased from this brand. I've watched numerous unboxings, but this is the first time I've actually got something from here. So I'm gonna have to say, I'm thoroughly impressed already, and I haven't even seen the bag. The weight on this little thing is substantial. Lets me know off top that this is made of really good quality leather. And the dust bag, this material is nice and thick. Doesn't feel cheap at all. Very well made. And if we get on the inside of here, she is even wrapped inside of the dust bag. So you can probably already see that I got her in black. You see she's got all of her wrapping still on her. But guys, let me just get this stuff off so we can get a closer look at this. This is beautiful. Okay guys, so this is the pebbled leather. It's probably comparable to the Togo leather that Hermes makes. That's what it feels like to me. Really, really nice leather. So, you know, you got the clasp just like the other brand, we're gonna say, just like Louis Vuitton. So you just kind of have to push the left one in to release the clasp. The inside is this very nice gray microfiber material. Let me get all the stuffing out of here so we can see. Okay. So this bag has 3 compartments. So there's a front compartment here. You got your main center compartment, and then there's a back compartment behind the leather patch here. So this leather patch actually says it has Melody, Cecile, and DUYP. So I don't know if the camera will pick that up, but very nice. Then the compartment back here. You have a zipper on the back. This will probably be large enough to fit receipts, maybe a smaller cell phone, you know, a compact mirror, some cards maybe. And then, if that isn't nice enough, she comes with 2 additional straps. So this comes with a leather strap that matches the bag, and it has gold hardware. So this is an adjustable strap. Looks like it can be worn as a crossbody or a shoulder bag. Really, really nice adjustable strap with gold hardware. And then it also has a web strap. The web strap would probably be what I would use if I was wearing it as a crossbody, because I just like the web straps and the way they feel. But I just like the width of the web straps. They're just really comfortable to wear as crossbody. But this is what it looks like. So it has leather pieces. It has leather trim near the clasps, and it's also adjustable. And pretty good quality too. So this is it, guys. This is the Le Petit Paris 15 in the color black. Now, I was really on the fence about what color I wanted to start with, because I actually was watching Vivian Carlin, and she had just unboxed hers, and she made me, I literally went from her video to the website to order this, and they were available for pre-order at that time. So when I pre-ordered mine, I really expected to wait for weeks to get it, and it came within a week. So I was super excited about that. I think I'm going to eventually go back and get it in brown. I wish that they would make this bag in some of the summer colors that they offered, the micro. I just think the micro would be too small for me. I don't think it would fit my phone, and I'm just not willing to purchase a bag that doesn't fit my phone. So that's the only reason why I haven't gotten a micro, because they have some really, really cute colors. So I'm hoping that Dress Up Your Purse will eventually decide to add some of those colors for this size, because this size for me is the most practical. And I can see myself having this bag in every color if they offered it in more than 2 or 3. Look how smooth this zipper is. So if I just, now that we've gone over the basics of this bag, if I just take off all of the plastic and just really get a closer look at this bag and the detail, you can see on the zipper pull, got her name there. The stitching on this bag is black and it's perfect. You can see there are no problems with the edges or glazing whatsoever. I mean, this bag is perfect out of the box, unlike Louis Vuitton. So, I mean, again, guys, like, if you want the pochette Matisse in the East-West size and just don't want to spend that money, like, guys, you really need to check out Dress Up Your Purse, because they have this bag in a micro, this size, and they also have this same piece in the original North-South version. So you can get this, you can get something very similar to the pochette Matisse that will be a fraction of the price and actually better made and better quality than Louis Vuitton. Sorry, LV, but it just is what it is. At this point, Dress Up Your Purse has gotten you beat with this particular bag right here. The other thing I forgot to mention is that whenever you purchase something from them, you will always get like a free keychain or charm. So this is what came with my purchase. Isn't it cute? So you won't always get a color that matches the bag that you purchased, but you'll always get a, you know, something, little thank you with your purchase. So just thought I would throw that in there. I forgot to mention that. So guys, let me know what you think about this bag if you have one in your collection. And just in case you're interested in getting it, you can use my coupon code. It's DRE2024 to get 15% off of your first purchase. I'll make sure that the links and the codes are in the description boxes just in case. But until the next time we see each other, take care of yourselves. And don't forget, if you're going to buy it anyway, you may as well save a few coins. Talk to you later.